There is a story we've heard so many times, it's rarely questioned. It says we live in a finite, disconnected universe, that nature is to be dominated. Starvation and poverty are inevitable. There are rulers and those who are ruled. That our bodies are simply machines. That events are random. And we have no control over our own reality. This is the story we've heard 1,000 times. But what if it's all a lie? A lie designed to keep us disconnected, disillusioned, defeated, and down. What if the universe is alive? What if we could access free, limitless energy?
The background energy of everything around us is full of power.
What if we could cure cancer?
After 9 weeks, my tumor was completely gone.
What if we could expand consciousness?
Consciousness is information. It has a pattern to it.
What if we could liberate the world?
Some people have the idea that if something is legal, it's moral.
Morality doesn't work that way. If it's wrong for me and him and him and him and him and him, it's wrong for anybody, including government.
From the creators of Thrive one of the most widely seen documentaries in history.
I'm Kimberly Carter Gamble.
And I'm Foster Gamble.
Comes a film like no other.
Virtually every solution we found has been made illegal or suppressed.
Their agenda is not a thriving world for everyone, but global control by an elite few.
That rewrites the story by revealing the fundamental fabric that empowers and connects us all.
There's a huge change that happens in civilization when they finally understand that there's a fundamental field that they're bathing in and that they can access it.
We're very, very close to a true unified theory that is backed by consistent, relatable mathematics.
We heard from over 1,000 innovators from all over the world.
Our attention shifted from possibilities to results.
The test is successful.
The ability to tap the potential of the field is what gives us the evolutionary edge that our ancestors never had. The edge to not only survive, but to thrive.
When millions of people say, we're not going to do this anymore, that can end entire empires without firing a shot.
Is there something that we're not aware of yet, the knowing of which would actually transform the quality of life on Earth and have us thriving? Let's find out.
Thrive 2. This is what it takes. Launching globally 2020.